Yes, Sasrikal students. So today we will find out continuous frequency distribution. We will discuss. We want to find out mean deviation about median. In the last lecture, we have discussed mean deviation about mean. Now, the formula for mean deviation about median is summation fi modulus xi minus median divided by n, means total observations, total terms, right? So this is the data given. This is continuous frequency distribution. Last lecture was on the based on discrete distribution. This is continuous frequency distribution. It is continuous. The upper limit of this is equal to lower limit of next class. The upper limit of this class is lower limit of next class. This is known as continuous, and frequency is also given. Frequency of this is 6, 7, 15, 16, 42. So students, now this is the formula about the mean deviation about median, and first we have to find out the median m. Median would be equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f into h. Here students, this formula we have already learnt in 10th standard, nothing new. What is what is this formula states? First we have to find out the median class. After finding out median class from here, students, we will find L. L is the lower limit of median class. H is the class size of median class. Okay? Anyway, here class size is same. Upper limit class size H is equal to upper limit minus lower limit, that is 10 here. So F is the frequency of median class, but CF, remember students, cumulative frequency we have to take of the previous class, before class, right? So also we know if n is odd, median will be n plus 1 by 2th term. If n is even, the median will be mean of n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term. For example, if there are 5 terms we have, so median will be third term. How we got 5 plus 1 by 2 third term. If we have, let's say, 10 terms, so our median will be, see, 4 on this side, 4 on this side, 5th and 6th terms midpoint, or you can say mean of 5th and 6th point. How you get 5? See, 10 by 2, n by 2, then n by 2 plus 1, sixth term, right? Everything explained. Now let's start with this example. Now we will find cumulative frequency. Students, quickly, like good students, help me. What is the cumulative frequency of this class? 6. Tell me the next value. Fatafat. 6 plus 7. Yes, students. 6 plus 7 is 13. So 13 plus 15, 28. 28 plus 16 is 44, then 48, and then we get 50. So this, as I told you last lecture also, this is your total number of terms. This is your n. This is also equal to summation fi. That is equal to 50. Right? So we have to find out the midpoint xi. So xi is important because we have to subtract median from every xi. So xi will be midpoint of this. So it is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So this is equal to 0 plus 10 by 2, that is 5. Right? Now this is 15. Simply add h. In case the class size is same, simply add h. You see here class size 20 to 30 is 10, 30 to 40 is 10. So 25, then 35, 45 and 55. So we have taken the midpoint also. Once we have taken the midpoint, students, simply subtract median from xi. This is xi is 5. 5 minus what is the median? Now we have to calculate the median. All right, students, how we will calculate the median? All right, let's learn. Let's do that in blue color. Okay, students. Now see, n is 50. N is even. So we will get n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. That is 25th term and 26th term. Right? So it will be the mean of this. Am I right? Now, as we know that here it is, this term item lies in the cumulative frequency 28, right? 28. So that means in 28, you see this cumulative frequency, your 25th and 26th term, right? So 0 to 10, 6 terms, 10 to 20, 13 terms, sorry, 7 terms. So 13 terms are finished. Then 15 more terms. So 13 plus 15, 28. So obviously, in this will be the our median class, right? This is our median class. All right. So once we know this is our median class, students, right? Now we will get the corresponding value for L. So what is L, students? L is lower limit, that is 20. Then what is F, students? Frequency of this. What is that, students? F, frequency. This is median class. This is our median class. How we found out? By this, very simple. So F is 15, very right. Then CF. CF will be cumulative frequency of previous class, that is 13. ठीक है, this is cumulative frequency of next class is 44. We will take cumulative frequency of the previous class, that is 13. So we got CF also, and also we know H is class size, upper limit minus lower limit, that is 10. Okay, all the class sizes are same here. So very simple. Now we will find the median, that is equal to L. Lower limit is 20, yeah, plus n by 2, 50 by 2 is 25, minus CF is 13, divided by F. F is 15, right, into H, that is 10. Am I right, students? Once you do this, students, you will get this is equal to 20 plus 8, that is 28, right? 28 is your median. Okay, 28 is the median. So now it will be 5 minus 28 modulus of this. So that will be equal to 5 minus 28 is minus 23, modulus is 23. Very right. So second will be now xi. Xi is 15 minus 28 minus 13. So it will become 13. 23, 13. So similarly we'll get 3, 7, 17, 27. Or you get 27. Xi 55 minus median. Median is, see here, 28 modulus of this. Anyway, this is positive. So that is 27. Right. Now we will multiply this xi minus m, this by fi. This is fi. So it is 23 into 6. So that is equal to 138. 13 into 7, so that is equal to 91. 15 into 3, that is 45. 16 into 7, similarly that 112, 68 and 54. This is 27 multiplied by 2, that is 54. Once we have calculated this, students, now we are going to calculate this summation. What? Summation fi, product of fi and xi minus m. Well, if you add all these, students, you will get this as 508. Very good. Once you know this, students, you can easily find the mean deviation about the median using this formula. So students, mean deviation about the median would be equal to summation this, that is 508, divided by n, total number of terms, so it's like n is this 50. So I will divide this by 50. So it will be, 10 point something. So it is 10.16. Right, students? You got the answer. Yes, students. Let's do one more sum in which the intervals are not continuous. This age is given 16 to 20, 21 to 25. See, upper limit of this interval is not the lower interval, lower limit of this interval. Unlike the last sum, in this 10 was upper limit, same 10 was the lower limit of next class. So there's a small trick. We will convert this into what? We will convert this into continuous interval. How? What you do, subtract zero point 0.5 from 16 and add zero point 0.5 in 20. So it will become 15.5 to add zero point 0.5 in 20 will become 20.5. So students, what will be the next one? Now, when we subtract zero point 0.5 from 21, it will become 20.5. And now the lower limit of this and upper limit of this are same. This is a trick. Add zero point 0.5 in this, 25.5. Okay. Please complete this as your homework. So what will be the last interval? Ishma, how will I write the last interval? Subtract zero point 0.5 from this, 50.5 to 55.5, right? So we have done this. Okay. So we got a Fi. Now we will calculate the median first. We have been asked to find out main deviation about median. We know the formula. So our median M, first for that we will see N is positive or even or odd. So N is, we will calculate this summation, Fi is our N, and that is equal to, when you add this, 5, 6, 1, 3, 7, 7, 3, 5, 5, 1, 10, correct. So it is, this is, so this is 100. So our 100 is, even. So what will be n by 2? N by 2 is 50. So see, in n by 2 lies in which interval? Okay. So can you tell students, 50 lies where? We have to calculate continuous cumulative frequency first. It will be 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 12 will be 23 plus 14 will be 37 plus 26, right? 63, 75, 91, and 100. So see that this is 100. Last, I told you, last term in cumulative frequency will be equal to summation Fi is equal to N. So 50 lies in which? Ishma, can you tell which will be median class? 50 lies in which class? Obviously, it doesn't lie in 37. It lies in 63. Am I right? So our median class will be this one. This is our median class. So once we know our median class, and then students, you will go further. We will find the median. So we will get M is equal to what? L, lower limit, that is 36. 36 plus n by 2, that is 50. 50 minus CF. CF will be of previous this. 37 divided by F. So what is F? F is of this 26, right, into H, class size. So class size, whether you take class size of this or this. So what will be class size, students? Tell me. Class size is, yeah, you will take class size. Not here, you will take class size of this. So it's 20.5 minus 50.5. So that is 5. 5 is the class size. Right? Here the class size is 4. You won't take this class size. You will take this class size. Okay? So class size is 5. So once you do this, this is 36 plus. I'm sorry, students. I did it wrong. Here the lower limit is not 36. This is 35.5. This will be 35.5, not 36. I'm sorry, 35.5, right? So 35.5 plus this will be 25. Please solve this. So it will be 25. So your median is equal to 38, right? Your median is 38. Now what do you do? Very simple. Xi minus median, modulus of this. Then simply multiply this by Fi into xi minus median. That's all. You do all this. So first one will be median is 38 xi. This is your, oh sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. You have to find out one column for xi also before going further. Okay, fine. How we will find xi? So xi is midpoint of this class. This is our class now. So it is 15.5 plus 20.5. 15.5 plus 25, that is 0, 6, 30 divided by 2. So that is equal to 13. Am I right, students? So our midpoint is, yeah, tell me, students. I'm sorry, it's not 13. This is 18. 18 is our midpoint. Okay, so 18 is our midpoint. So this is our midpoint 18 minus what is the median? 38. Take modulus of that. So that is equal to 18 minus 38 is how much? Minus 20. Take modulus of that. So that will be 20. Like that, you complete this. Then multiply this 20 by the frequency 5. So that will become 100. Complete this. Then you will get summation fi into xi minus m. So that is equal to 735. And then students, your mean deviation about the median is equal to formula is summation fi modulus xi minus median divided by n. So that is equal to 735. 735 divided by total number of is 100. So that is equal to 7.35 is the answer. 7 point. Is it right? Yeah, correct. This is the answer. So this is the way, students, you can convert. If some class is not given continuous, you can convert this into continuous class. Okay, students, see the video again, share with your friends, and make sure you subscribe the channel Learn CBSE. This is the complete name. I wish you all the best, students.